Hello students, so under polynomial chapter we have discussed in the previous class about geometrical meaning of zero of the polynomial. That means we have only studied what is the geometrical meaning of zero of the polynomial when there is linear polynomial is there. That means we have discussed when ax plus b is equals to 0. When the expression is of the form ax plus b is equals to 0, we have discussed. In today's class, we will be discussing the zero of the polynomial for a quadratic equation of the form y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we have to find out the zero of the polynomial. You know zero of the polynomial means, so we have to find out this y. If we substitute y is equals to 0, we have to get the value of x here. That x value if we substitute, you will get the zero of the polynomial. To understand this, so we will take one of the example here. Let me take y is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay, so geometrical meaning means I have to plot it in a graph. So to plot a graph, we have to find the solutions for that. So let me take some values of x here. So for example, I'll take from negative. I'll substitute x equals to minus 2. If I substitute x equals to minus 2, y is equals to x square minus 3x minus 4. So that is x is minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4. That is you will get it as 4 plus 6 minus 4. These two will cancel. You will get 6 here. So I have written few points of x value I have substituted so that I have get the value of y here. Now based on this, let me plot a graph for this based on these 2 points. So this is the graph which I have taken here, x-axis. So this is y-axis here, x dash as well as y dash here. So I have taken few points here. It is this is negative x-axis, positive x-axis, negative y-axis as well as positive y-axis here. Now let me plot the points which we have taken. So the first point is minus 2 comma 6 is there. So minus 2 comma 6 means this is the point. Remember you have to take both negative as well as positive. And the second one is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 means you will get the point here. Next is 0 comma 4. 0 comma minus 4. Next is 1 comma minus 6. 1 comma minus 6. The point will be here. And the next is 2 comma minus 6. 2 comma minus 6 will be here. Next is 3 comma minus 4. Next is 4 comma 0. Next is 5 comma 6. Okay, let me draw just an imaginary point. I'll be adding here. So if I draw an imaginary line, you can observe here how the graph was. So when we have done a linear polynomial, the graph was a straight line. So when I have done the quadratic polynomial, I can observe that the graphs are like curves here. You can observe it is of the form like a curves. So here there are two types of curves are there. You can observe this is the open up curve, and another one curve you can observe it is open down curve. You can observe it is in the both sides it's open here, so it is open up and this is open down. These curves are called as parabola. Okay, we'll say these curves as a parabola here. Now the question is how we will recognize the points here. So we have the expression x square minus 3x minus 4. Based on this, what is the solution for this? That is also important here. The solution you can observe here. You have to observe the expression y is equals to whatever it is, ax square plus bx plus c. That is the expression which is the quadratic equation expression is there. In that expression should intersect at x-axis. That is also very important. At x-axis where it intersects here. You can observe the curve is on both here. It's like here. In the x-axis it is meeting at point -1, 0. Remember, only at the x-axis we have to take. And in this side it is meeting at the point 4, 0. That means what are the 2 points or the 2 roots? Because this is a quadratic equation, means the roots of this quadratic equation is -1, 4. Okay, you can go with the algebraic method also. What means quadratic equation, we have discussed how to solve the quadratic equation by several methods are there. You can use that method and you can verify that you will get either the x value as +4 or you will get it as -1 here. So that is by using the geometrical method, that is the graph method also, you can able to plot it. Now there are certain conditions are there for this parabola. That is, you can see open up parabola, down up, open down parabola is there. So how we will recognize the points on this? There are certain cases that we will be discussing